Hi, Gaz here from the Bitcoin Project. I'm here to do another quick update video for you. Today is Monday the 22nd of May 2017. It's been a couple of months since I've done a video now, but I've got something really exciting to show you. When I left you in my last video, I'd taken my Bitcoin, which is worth about $50, and I turned it into about $250, I think it was. I was looking at my other video comments here. I turned it into Ether and made about $250. So I then put that into Zcash, which looked like an upcoming currency, and as you can see, my 3.6 Zcash is now worth 772. So it's pretty much tripled since that happened. This has been sitting at around about 450 today, and I was thinking maybe I should do a video on it, and all of a sudden it's taken a massive jump, and I just wanted to show you why. Zcash has been one of those upcoming currencies. There's been a lot of talk about it. There's been a lot of rumours about some big support for it and stuff like that, and if you look at Zcash on the 24-hour, it's looking at about a 92% increase, and I can show you why. Today there is at the moment going on in New York City is the Consensus 2017, which is the blockchain technology summit that's going on at the moment. And just a couple of hours ago, JP Morgan have announced a partnership with Zcash on blockchain security. Now, I won't go into too much detail about the complicated ins and outs of what it is they've done, but JP Morgan are a huge deal, and for them to have pretty much put their name behind the security for blockchains with Zcash, they have created a massive spike in interest in Zcash, and as such the value against the dollar and the Bitcoin it's risen really sharply. So yeah, that's now leaves me at the point where I need to figure out what I'm going to do with this Zcash now. It's at 775. As it currently stands, I think it'll probably dip a little bit by the end of the day after all the excitement, but I'm thinking I'm going to keep hold of it because I see a real good long-term growth potential with that. We've gone from $50, we're now at $775. I imagine if we'd done this with $500 or $5,000, it would be insane. But what I've also done is I've got hold of some Bitcoin myself. I've got a few bits and pieces that I've been playing with. Now on Friday, unfortunately, I did this all very kind of last minute and didn't record it. I bought some Dogecoin. I bought $80 worth of Dogecoin, and today that's worth $160. So that has doubled over the weekend. Now Dogecoin had some bad press last week because their Reddit tip bot that they had running, which was very successful. A lot of people had a lot of money in it. Went pop. The owner said he's got no money left. People are left out of pocket, and it damaged Dogecoin's reputation pretty badly. And I saw that as a little opportunity for a very small amount of investment that might pay off. So I bought, I think it was $80 worth of Dogecoin, and I got 58,024 coins for that $80. And now, as you can see, I've pretty much doubled that money in just one weekend. I've also put some money in Monero because I saw some stuff about that going on. I put about $80 worth. That's now at $107.99. So I'm running 3 different currencies at the moment. This is still that initial $50 that I put in to start with. This is obviously stuff I'm making money off of, separately. But from that initial 50, we're now 775, and I think we could easily break the grand just leaving it in Zcash for another couple of weeks. The way it's been going. But the thing is, you've got these pump and dump situations. You might find a few people trying to shift their their Zcash once this JP Morgan stuff blows over. But for now, I'm going to ride it out. So other than that, I want to show you. I also I use a little website which I find very handy, which you might like to look. It's called coinmarketcap.com, and it's a cryptocurrency market capitalizations. It basically shows you it's a site that shows you you can look at which has had the biggest percentage change or smallest percentage change over 24 hours, volume, circulating supply, current price, and also you can do things like trending, and you can look at gainers and losers, and you can see over a period of 1 hour, 24 hours or 7 days, which currencies have been rising, or you can switch that round to, you can go to the the biggest losers as well. If you wanted to try and find a cheap currency that might be, what went to lose? Oh, losers will be at the bottom, obviously, won't they? The ones that are possibly worth investing in if they've had a bit of bad press, or if they've had a hard fork or something going on that's caused them problems. But something that's really interested me, if you look over the last week, Redcoin has had a 1,976% increase. So I'm thinking of looking into getting some Redcoin. What I did get the other day was some. Let me just go into. I've got livecoin.net here. I've got a US equivalent balance of about $86. It's gone up a little bit. I bought some Minerium. Now, Minerium is a little bit different. It's only just come out, so it might be one of these big-time pump and dump scenarios going on. But lots of people are buying into it because it's literally only just been released. It's a totally different way. It's a self-mining currency. They had some set up where they had some legacy wallets and stuff where people could take money, but they could send money out, but they couldn't receive money into those wallets. It's been running for a little while. It's really clever. Look it up, Minerium. It's based on the Ether token setup that Ethereum and a few other cryptocurrencies use. So it's an interesting idea based around a really solid framework. So definitely something worth looking into. I think I might have to see if I can get hold of some Redcoin. But maybe it's already hit the top of its peak. I'll do a bit more research in that. I might do another video on Redcoin. But like I say, at the moment, I've got some money in Bitcoin, which has just been steadily going up. Some money in Dogecoin, which is going up at the moment. Monero's gone up a bit. Zcash is going absolutely mental. And then Minerium, which is, I've got about $5 profit on that so far. It was about $80 when I did it. It's up and down a little bit. But yeah, I think that one's a long term of that one. I'll leave that in there for quite some time and just keep checking back every day or so to see how it's getting on. So if you want any advice or any information, you can chat to us in the comments below. If you enjoyed the videos, please do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell button so you get notifications when new videos come out, because like I say, you might easily lose our videos because we don't do as many as we should. But I think what I'll do is I'll leave it here now. I'm just going to leave it here on today on the Zcash graph. Let's look at the last few hours. I'm feeling pretty good about that. It's a great spike in value, and I seem to buy in just about the right time as well. I bought kind of third week of March, and it's been pretty flat, and all of a sudden it's gone up. But I'm keeping Zcash in there for now, so I'll keep you updated if I get any more progress on it, and if it goes any higher. So what we'll do, I'll do one quick update. Actually, let's do a quick refresh and see. Oh, it's up 782 now. See, it's even gone up a little bit while I've been talking to you. So that's money in the bank, trading cryptocurrency, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.